our sessions every time we have poetry sessions. So, if you want to follow, I'm reading from 16.1. The title there is Freedom of Expression. 16.1. Everyone has a right to freedom of expression, which includes freedom of the press and other media, freedom to receive or impart information or ideas, freedom of artistic creativity and academic freedom, and freedom of scientific research. 2. The right in subsection 1 does not extend to propaganda for war, incitement of imminent violence, or advocacy that is based on race, ethnicity, gender, or religion that constitutes the incitement to cause harm. So what this means is that everyone has a right to say anything and everything here on this stage, but to all the poets and all the performers, you'll be held accountable for what you say. So that's what it means. So, with that out of the way, you guys know what part is coming. If you are joining us for the very first time, on 3, I want to welcome you. We're all going to say, ha! Right? You guys, where's the energy? Okay. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Woo! Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ha! 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 1, 2, 3. Slam has officially started. Without any further ado, I'd like to announce your MC for today, who's going to be holding down the floor. Nolwazi Ngomane, let's go! Yeah!
So much energy. Yo, hi. Hi, everyone. Hello. How everyone doing? Good. Nerves. You know how we nervous, guys. So my name is Ngomane. I'm going to be your MC today. Very first, I've never done this, so we are learning as we are going.
Yes.
Okay. So before I continue, I'm going to start with the rules. Rule number 1 is check your ego at the door. Number 2, new poem for every slam league. So don't do, give us my new release, please. That'll excite us. Number 3, only poets on the sign-up list are allowed to perform. This is strictly just for admin, so that we have everything in order. Number 4, as long as no one pleads, anything goes. As Menzi has said, you have the freedom to speak about anything, but be careful what you say because you can be held accountable. Number 5, no performing with cell phones. I'm the only one playing on my cell phone because, you guys might have your cell phones, so be careful because you get, they deduct some points if you bring your cell phone, so just be careful, don't do that. And then, without further ado, I'm going to announce our first poets. I'd like you guys to please give them a round of applause. Hlulani and Mduli.
I'm not the type of the high star and all that. It's not my thing.
As they've mentioned, my name is Hlulani Witness Mduli. I'm sure most of you all know me now.
Witness the greatness.
Witness the greatness, actually. But anyways, Kalma just did something on me. Last time I was here, I was actually the last, and now I'm the first. The nerves just got me. But anyways, it is said that home is where your story begins. Well, I guess my story has lost its introduction. I've grown distant to the ones that have a space for me in their hearts because of the constant love that keeps on breaking me apart. You see, home is a place of refuge from the vultures of emotions. But it hurts even more when that home becomes cannibalistic towards your feelings. I breathe fire that consumes the sadness and weariness out of you. But little do you know, you foolish mankind, that fire starts somewhere through certain resources used. Having that knowledge still, you misuse me for your weightless issues that you keep throwing at me, thinking that you are keeping me sustained, yet it's for your own sustainment. These days, you can't tell the difference between love that's fake and love that's abused. Yeah. Because all you see aren't even faceless emotions, but non-existent warmth of comfort derived from kindness. Or should you rather have me say, a phantom of memories that reminds you of their love they once had for you while you were an innocent infant in their cold, loving arms. Maybe it was too cold that day. Maybe it was too cold. It's okay not to be okay. Tell me what's okay about committing suicide, if you have any justification up your sleeves. Tell me what's okay about submitting to your beast that beats and breathes down the locker, raging and urging to destroy your mirror. Tell me what's okay about having nightmares that lure you in the endless deep like candy to a child, wanting to turn off that little spark of hope. Hope for sunny days after the rain. Hope for bright mornings after the cold, long night. Hope for you to stop using knives to wipe my tears away. Because all I see in that knife as it swifts beneath my eyes is an ocean of constant breaks that have become a desert of emotions. The sand that lies at the seabed is equivalent to the number of tries I've tried reaching out to you. But I guess the bottom of this ocean was too dark for you to see the length of my hand. That it falls short of hopeful reach every time you breathe, as you never remember to breathe, subconsciously not forgetting to breathe. I'm afraid. It is this fear that makes us to lose ourselves, reminiscent in our thoughts, the contemplating of time. We always want to control things that are over us, when we could just live greed and just breathe. But how does one live sanely with a sound notification that comes from the beast caged in us? Thoughts that run deep, never reach the surface, because the valley is too steep to run for the hills. Yeah. We end up graving ourselves to awaken the beast, because only the beast beats to beat the burden that I bore before I became a victim of time. As the trial awaits, give me a time capsule to push time in the meantime.
Litless. He said it's okay not to be okay. It's good to cry, scream, shout, let it all out, as long as you feel good afterwards. Amen. Woo, and amen. So I'm spiritual. Amen. Yes.
Let's talk about it. I spoke.